Yep, it's another hams don't shave weekend. And so while I wasn't shaving, I thought, hey, FT817. Now the 817 is one great rig. You get HF, 6 meters, VHF, UHF, all in this one tiny package. I love it. The only thing I didn't like was the knob. And as you can see, the dimple on the knob is a lot smaller than my finger. And I went back to finger dimple because I remember seeing something called the Kranker knob. The first thing you have to do is remove the rubber surface. Now you don't want to have it directly against the radio, so I've pulled mine back just a little bit, and once I've tightened the screw, I go ahead and test it. All that's left is to put the rubber back on the wheel. Back to the Kranker knob, we have the rubber on, and we're now tuning, spinning the knob, and as you can see, it's a hell of a lot easier than it was before. So that brings us to the conclusion of this very short video, but hey, what do you expect? I didn't shave for it was only a couple days. I hope that helped. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, Kranker knob, does it work? How do you put it on? Well, now you know. Until the next weekend, when I don't feel like shaving and making a video, this is Woody saying, enough said.